Today I'm going to present a demo to you in where I was able to first take the conversation with discovery demo that has been provided, understand it, replicate it, and then take the code that is provided on GitHub here, clone it, and then modify it for my own purposes in order to add my own collection and my own Watson Discovery workspace um, to create my own demo. So here, what I have set up is a couple of intents that describe change in volume, change in temperature, change in pressure for a gas stream coming into a process unit plant, right? So, but from a very elementary and simple method, we're only looking at change in volume, change in temperature, and change in pressure. So here we have the entities that describe that. We're looking at volume, temperature, pressure, increase, decrease in all of these, and then some of the intents like delta V, change in volume, different ways of saying the same thing for volume or pressure and so forth. And then we have our dialogue here that actually will direct how the conversation will happen. And should there be a question that it can answer, something that's out of the realm of change in pressure or temperature, I would like for Watson to then pass the question off to query Watson Discovery based on a collection that I have uploaded there. So if I look very quickly here at the what's going on here with the out of scope node, if this activates, what happens is there's a child node that is tapped into, right? And to look a little further into this, what happens here is look here, at first all you see is a couple of words, but if we look at the JSON editor, there's actually a call to discovery here, right? And it describes here that the question is out of scope for the application, and it passes off the question to be queried. So it queries these 7 documents that I've uploaded here. I've only uploaded 7 to keep it as simple as possible and illustrate how the demo works. So here on the back end, I've actually already set up a local host to connect the 2 services. So let me open that up. So here's the local host. You can see what Watson understands here on the right hand side. You can see the initiation of the dialogue. Ask me about process units used to change pressure or temperature of your stream. So let's say I'm interested, how can I change pressure? So here it describes that turbines and expansion valves are used to change the pressure and volume of a stream. So let's say I would like to increase pressure. So here it describes a turbine is used to increase the pressure of a stream by decreasing its occupied volume. So now let's ask a question that is outside of the realm of the dialogue, such as what is carbon dioxide capture? Now I know that this information is within the documents that I have in my collection. And so what happens here is, as you can see, carbon dioxide capture and storage is an option to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. And that would be the highest probable answer to the question or the query that I provided. You can see here that there's a couple of scores associated with the answers with confidence. So the first one has a much higher confidence than the other ones. So the analytics that's applied to query the data is picking this up as the top answer. And you can see the name here of what I asked in my query. And so then you can see a much more detailed version of that answer here, or you can go back. Um, so yes, so this demonstrates how I was able to successfully integrate Watson Conversation Services with Watson Discovery Services. Thank you very much.